Adriana Fanis is an American Instagram star, model and YouTuber. She is famously known as a bikini and chic famous model who has gained prominence to her self-titled Instagram account. She has earned fame as a bikini and chic fashion model, often showcasing her large breast. She posted her first photo and selfie to her Instagram account in September 2018. Presenting Adriana Fanis' lifestyle and more info. So let's know in details about her biography. Her full real name is Adriana Fanis. Adriana Fanis' date of birth is 8 of March 1994 and her birthplace Texas in the United States. Adriana Fanis is currently 28 years old as of 2022. Adriana's height is around 5 feet 6 inches tall and her weight approaches 65 kgs. Adriana is a gorgeous and attractive girl with black hair and brown eyes. Adriana Fanis is an American by her nationality. She is an Instagram star, model and YouTuber by her profession. Adriana follows the Christian religion. Adriana Fanis is an Instagram star who has amassed large numbers of fans in this platform. Adriana Fanis' estimated net worth is approximately $1.5 million. Her primary source of income in her career as an Instagram star, model and YouTuber. Now talk about personal life. Adriana Fanis is possibly single and has not been previously engaged. As of December 2021, Adriana Fanis is not dating anyone. We have no records of past relationship for Adriana Fanis. Now talk about career. Adriana launched her career after her matriculation. She is currently representing the CME agency for influencer in Los Angeles. Her first photo on Instagram was uploaded in September 2018, which was a selfie. She is famously known as bikini and chic fashion model. She has earned representation from the CME agency for influencer in Los Angeles. Now talk about unknown facts. Adriana Fanis is an American Instagram star, model and YouTuber. She is famously known as a bikini and chic fashion model. She is currently working as a chic fashion model and bikini model. Adriana is mostly famous for her Instagram account. Adriana Fanis is a popular American YouTuber who get popularity within a very short time for her nice looking appearance. Adriana Fanis is an evergreen star who achieved hug fame in her very short time period. She has worked with many fashion brands including Fashion Nova. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates.